Hello everyone. Hi, give me few seconds. We'll give few seconds for people to join and then we'll start with the collection. Hello, how are you all? It's been really long. Thank you. I miss doing lives too, but wanted to curate a very good collection for you guys, so I took some time. Thank you. Yeah, it's been very long since I did a live. Thank you so much. Working really hard to curate the collection, so thank you so much. Okay, so let me show you what I'm wearing first. I'm wearing a beautiful Jadao necklace in white, uncuts, with beautiful jhumkas. This necklace is so pretty, like it's just, it goes with any color sari, any kind of sari. And a Jadao ring. And in today's collection, we've again put a combination of everything. So I will be able to show only few pieces from the store. I really think if you guys really like our collection, you should visit the store to see more collection. You'll find many such masterpieces. I am just picking my favorites and showing it to you guys here. If you really like this, I think you should come to make some time, come here so that you'll find more of such collection. And as it is festival season already, we have a lot of festivals coming in and it's Shravana Masam already. We have gifting ranges, we have Rakhi, we have Vinayaka Chauthi, Dasara, Diwali. We have a lot of collection and we are very excited to see you guys and show you all our new collection. Yeah, so let us start with the collection now. This is one with the earrings. These are all Zambian emeralds, real emeralds, and the polki sizes are pretty good in this. And the emerald quality is really, really good. Number 2, a Victorian pendant beads mala, apt for men and women. Number 3, this chain is so smart, I should say. This is number 4. for brides or for people who are looking for contemporary, perfect contemporary Victorian necklace. This is the one. Just looks so pretty once you wear it. Number 5. It's a filling choker. Again, suits traditional wear really well, and your anarkalis and your salwars very well. Perfect festive wear. If you're looking to pick something for this festival, I think this is the one. Simple and yet very elegant necklace with Ganesha in the center. Bottumala with a pendant. This will look very nice when you pair it up with a choker or without also, like standalone also, because it has a huge pendant. This is our, I think, the most famous, the best seller. I'm sure a lot of you must have seen this in our stories, but we've just put it to show people who have not seen this till now. A Navratna Ganesha carved piece. Every carving has a Ganesha on it. This is again a very filling choker in Jada. This again looks very heavy and filling when you wear it. You can pair this with lehengas, saris and salwars again. Another classic piece. With the earrings. This is a chick choker with corals. A pearl and Victorian chick choker. Number 14. Hi Shravya Garu, we do have a lot of these sets in 10 lakh range. Please let us know what are you liking so we can send you the prices accordingly. The choker has pearls in the side and it is like pretty heavy in the center. It looks very heavy when you wear it. It's a very cute pendant beads mala. For moms and for mid-age, this is really nice. Again, an emerald and polki necklace with earrings. All the emeralds are real. This is 17. This also looks very nice for mid-aged or, for the kids also when you put them in a half sari or a lehenga. This look very pretty for kids. This is again for men and women. This is a very cute tassel with the bird motifs. You should really appreciate the carving of the stone in the bird shape. This is a very simple and a very elegant set in diamonds. We do have Kuttappusara in the store only. Teenlada. A very simple necklace again. Gifting range and something very simple to wear on your office wear and simple kurtas. This is very stylish. It'll go with any contemporary wear. This is again one of its kind. These are all single diamonds. This is a Victorian tassel pendant with the chain. This again a rose cut pendant with an Italian chain. This is a tassel. Looks very nice. The length is pretty long. It's around 20 inches. Looks very stylish when you pair it up on shirts and this is a Cartier inspired bracelet with full diamonds. Yes, so these are the pieces for today. So if you guys are liking any of the pieces, please do WhatsApp us. Our team will be helping you for the prices. I'm sure a lot of you have been texting me, if it's a waste of time if I'm not mentioning the prices. See, I can't just mention the prices without the description. See, there might be a lot of factors for the price to be mentioned and for the price that we are quoting. So once you know the description of the item, you will be able to judge the price better. So that is why we can't just randomly tell you the prices here, and you might think it is too low or too high also at times. So I want you to, if you're really liking the pieces, you can WhatsApp us. We can send you the detailed pricing, and then you can decide to further purchase it or not. But we will be able to only communicate with you once you all WhatsApp us. That will be much easier for both of us. So showing my jewelry again. Wearing a Jadao piece with beautiful jhumkas. All the price range is really good what we did in this live, because the gold rates have been fluctuating. The gold rates are very high right now, but the prices are very good for what we did right now. So once you text us, we'll be able to tell you the pricing. Thank you so much for joining the live. It was pleasure meeting you all, seeing you all, talking to you all. Thank you so much.